Hi guys, welcome back to another vid. We are playing one-shot meme gun games with my friend Joel, and he is just joining right now. And he might have to go before we end the video, but we are trying to get champion, and we might do a part 4 of trying to get Unreal. So yeah, let's get right into this. What the hell did I just do there? Bro, I did not mean to do that, bro. Look, I just like speed out, bro. And now I'm glitching, for God's sake, bro. Oh my god. Guys, I'm glitching, bro. I'm literally glitching, bro. Oh yeah, there we go. Finally I died, so I stopped glitching. You know we can fight each other, but can we just fight the bots? Like, because I want to get warmed up with like these bots. We can shoot. Oh mate, the Zapatron is so hard to kill with, bro. This Zapatron is so hard to kill. There we go. And Joe, what rank you? It says above your health. Have you not? You might be unranked then. And it's your silver. My friend Joel is silver over here, and I am elite. I'm trying to get champ. Joel, what's your recommend before we play some ranked reload? Just to get warmed up, he said. Let's try get into. Let's say maybe gold. Let's go gold hunting. Oh my god, I need to hit a good snipe with the hunting because that's what I say in all my videos. 100. Die. Mate. Or jump. 1. Dead. Listen, us. Yeah. For me, it's just saying, wow. That's all the same for me, mate. I don't know why. Wait, when I kill you, can you tell me how much kills I have? Can you tell me how much kills I have when I kill you next? No, that's points. You get like 4 points per kill. You have 150 kills. Wait. Yeah, it goes up by like 6 points. Right, let me kill you. Let me kill you, please. Wait. How much kills do I have? Oh my god, that's weird. Oh, mate, I hate this weapon. Wait, let me go to the store. Grab a weapon. It's not cheating. 999. How much gold do I have? Oh, 4,000. I can buy that, bro. Any day. I'll take it because like I can hit crazy snipes with this. Mate, I was lagging, that's why. You're gold now. Right, Right, you have to get plat, bro. No. Oh, what a shot. There you go. Very lucky. Pop him, he's easy. Pop him. Nearly. I'm getting shot by like 10 people, literally, bro. 13. Oh, I hit him in the privates there on accident. Good job. Fishy on me, slap your knee. Let me try. There you go. Wow, I'm not going to do that. Oh my god, how did I hit that? Right, that was well far. Headshot. Dead. How's this? Yeah, there's like 50 bots shooting at me, bro. One. I need like 5. Right, calm down. I'm getting the easy ones first, which are far away ones. Calm down. Stop saying wow. Oh my god, bro. Can this stop saying wow? Wow. Look at the screen. I had 4,565. No, 67, 67. And now I've got 70. God's sake. Oh, 8, 8, 8. Oh, let me get 6, 7, bro. Alright, we'll do this for another 5 minutes. So we do that? Or should we do it until I hit champ? Because I'm not that far away, to be honest. I've got this weird... I've got the... I forgot what it's called. The Cerberus effect. I can run like... Oh. Me, I had the Cerberus effect. You took it away from me. Wow. 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 I killed you like 5 times with this gun. Wow. Guys, I'm nearly champion. I am at elite 78%. Oh my god. Fishy armies, sticky armies, sticky army. Oh my god, bro. Wait, I've got like a... Oh, yes, I love this SMG. I don't know why I love it, because it's not like a proper SMG though. That's why I love it. It's like one of the best SMGs in the world. Oh, I got a sniper. I need to hit a crazy snipe. There we go. Not really crazy, but far away, I guess. Striker, I can do that. How did I miss arrow? I might do a live stream in a minute, Joel. Yeah? Yeah, I will. I'll do it for ranked reload. We can play quite a few matches of ranked reload, and then I'll do a live stream. Oh yeah, and make sure to go check out Gamer Boss Joel's channel and Bob. No, for me it says Gamer Boss Joel. Right, I'll go check out Boss Joel's. I'll go check out Boss Joel's channel and make sure to check out Bobby Hennessy -4. But that's his at name. If you want to know his real name, it's Bobby the Goat. No spaces, 1 capital with Bobby. Just 1 capital with B. And make sure to go also check out oh, I forgot his name now. I can't be asked to say it. It's well long though. It's like 50 characters. And yeah, it's my friend Jackson from another school. I'm nearly elite, guys. I'm even closer to elite now. I can just pop that. Bro, what the hell? Wait, Joel, do you want to like give it like a little end here? Because I'm kind of get bored. Alright, guys, I am gonna sort the video. See ya.